Gulfcraft is proud to announce the launch of the much-anticipated Majesty 175, the largest composite yacht in production today. At a length of 54 meters and a beam of 9.6 meters, the Majesty 175 is Gulfcraft's largest yacht to date and cements the Shipyard's position as a leader on the global superyacht stage. With a gross tonnage of 780, the Majesty 175 offers accommodations for 14 guests in 7 spacious staterooms. Being built to MCA regulations for yachts above 500 gross tons and using the advanced composite materials such as carbon fiber and vinyl ester, this yacht sets new standards for innovation and technology in the yachting industry.